When disasters strike, every second counts, and the right gear can mean the difference between escape and tragedy. Whether you're lost in the wild or caught in an urban emergency, this gear is your lifeline. From a rapid deploy multi-tool to a life-saving first aid kit, from a thermal blanket to a water filter, compact, powerful, ready for anything. Without further ado, let's dive in. When it comes to outdoor safety and survival, clean water is non-negotiable, and the high-capacity emergency water straw delivers exactly that. Designed to filter up to 1,800 gallons, it's lightweight, reusable, and built for adventurers who refuse to compromise. Whether you're hiking, camping, biking, or preparing for emergencies, this straw ensures safe drinking water anywhere, anytime. With no expiration date and rugged durability, it's one piece of gear every outdoor enthusiast should own. When you need to fire fast, the Prepared 4X Firestarter Survival Tool is your ultimate all-in-one solution. This flint and steel kit comes with a 36-inch waterproof tinderwick rope and a high-quality ferro rod, sparking reliable flames even in harsh conditions. It's compact, weatherproof, and designed for camping, hiking, and emergency use. Whether you're lighting a campfire or preparing for survival, this patented fire starter ensures you'll never be left in the cold, a must-have for every outdoor kit. Looking for the perfect all-in-one survival gear? The VEITORLD 12-in-1 Survival Gear Kit packs essential tools into a compact, durable case ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, or emergency use. It includes everything from a tactical pen and flashlight to a multi-tool and fire starter, offering real value and versatility. This kit makes a thoughtful and practical gift that combines adventure, safety, and style in one smart package. The aZengear Paracord Survival Bracelet is more than just a stylish accessory. It's a compact survival kit on your wrist. Each bracelet includes a flint steel fire starter, whistle, compass, and mini saw, giving you the essentials to handle any outdoor challenge. The adjustable design ensures a perfect fit for all wrist sizes, while the durable paracord can be unraveled for emergency use. Perfect for camping, hiking, or bushcraft, this 2-pack, black and orange, is a smart addition to any emergency or adventure kit. The Atomic Bear Tactical Pen is a rugged, everyday carry that doubles as a lifesaver. Used by police and military, this ballpoint pen writes smoothly, feels solid in hand, and includes a tempered steel window breaker for emergencies. It comes with a free second ink refill, so it's ready when you are. Compact, discreet, and dependable, it's perfect for professionals and outdoors folk who want practical tools that won't let them down. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum with a textured grip and secure pocket clip, it balances form and function for everyday carry, self-defense, and reliable note-taking in harsh conditions. The Emergency Mylar Thermal Blanket 4-pack is a must-have for any survival or outdoor kit. Designed to retain up to 90% of body heat, these lightweight, waterproof, and windproof space blankets provide essential protection against cold, rain, and shock. Whether you're hiking, camping, running a marathon, or preparing a first aid or bug-out bag, they deliver warmth and safety when it matters most. Compact, yet durable. The Atarashi Camping Sleeping Bag is built for year-round comfort, keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer. Designed for adults, it features lightweight yet insulating materials that provide the perfect balance of warmth and portability. The extra-large size ensures plenty of room to move, while the compression sack makes packing easy for hiking or backpacking trips. Whether you're camping in the mountains or relaxing under the stars, this 4-season sleeping bag delivers reliable comfort, durability, and a cozy night's rest anywhere your adventures take you. Be prepared for any minor injury or emergency with the Mini First Aid Kit 150-piece. Housed in a durable, waterproof hard shell, it's perfect for home, car, office, camping, hiking, or travel. This compact kit includes essential medical supplies for cuts, scrapes, burns, and more, all neatly organized for quick access. Lightweight, portable, and reliable, it's an ideal addition to your outdoor adventures, vehicle, or emergency preparedness kit, ensuring peace of mind wherever life takes you. The Noopel 3-tube survival whistles 2-pack are compact, loud, and reliable tools for outdoor safety. Designed for hikers, campers, kayakers, and sports enthusiasts, each whistle produces a high decibel sound that can be heard over long distances in emergencies. The set comes with lanyards and keychains for easy carrying, making them perfect for kids, lifeguards, or anyone needing a quick signaling tool. The RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick is a rugged, all-in-one tool built for outdoor and survival use. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, it handles digging in dirt, sand, mud, or snow with ease. Its compact, foldable design makes it perfect for camping, off-roading, gardening, or beach trips, while the Pick feature adds extra versatility for tough terrain. Durable, portable, and military-inspired, this entrenching tool is an essential companion for adventurers, preppers, and anyone who needs a reliable digging solution in any environment. Stay on course, no matter where your adventures take you, with the Hiking Survival Compass. Built from durable metal and waterproof to IP65 standards, it handles tough outdoor conditions with ease. The integrated sighting clinometer allows precise navigation, while the compact design and included carry bag make it easy to take anywhere. Ideal for camping, hunting, or hiking, this multifunctional compass is a must-have tool for outdoor enthusiasts who value safety, accuracy, and reliability in every journey. Illuminate any adventure with these rechargeable high-lumen flashlights, 2-pack, boasting an incredible 99,000 lumens. They cut through darkness with ease, making them perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency use. USB rechargeable and waterproof, these handheld lights are designed for durability and convenience, giving you long-lasting, reliable performance wherever you go. Compact yet powerful, they're ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, homeowners, and anyone who needs a dependable light source in any situation. The RoverTac 18-in-1 multi-tool pocket knife is a powerhouse of practicality, built for campers, hikers, and handymen alike. Featuring a sharp knife, pliers, saw, scissors, corkscrew, and 9 screwdrivers, it's ready for any task life throws your way. Crafted with durable stainless steel and a secure safety lock, it delivers reliability and strength in every use. Complete with a sturdy nylon sheath, this multi-tool is perfect for any kind of emergency situation.